Good evening to all the participants of 1 week webinar cum FTP series on current progress and future prospects of biotechnology. Myself, Dr. V. Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to open and access learning.cbit.org.in. Please open any browser and type http://learning.cbit.org.in. Once you type and open, this is the page that will be displayed. On top right hand side, you will be having an access for login. Please click on login. Once you click on login, you will find a box where you can enter your username. Your username will be your user ID, that is your email ID provided during registration. And you have to type a password. A password will be password@123. P will be capital and there is no spaces in between. Once you log in, the system will force you to change the password. Let me type the password. Please click on login. Once you click on login, you will be able to see the dashboard. This is the dashboard, and in this dashboard, you will be able to find my courses. For all the participants, in this, only one will be displayed, that is current progress and future prospects of biotechnology. Please click on that. Once you click on that, you will be able to see this page. In this page, general information will be provided related to announcements, and you will be having a webinar cum FDP grievance and discussion forum, and you will also be provided with 1 week webinar cum FDP series brochure. These are general information, and followed by that, you will be able to see each and every day event. So this is a day 1 event, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. Like that, all the day events will be available. So for you, initially only day 1 events will be displayed. So in the day 1 events, forenoon, you will be having a session. So you can click, so you'll be able to see, you can click and open that in a new window. So you can have an access it in a new window, new tab. So this is how you will be able to have an access for the session. So you can open the session and you can listen to that session. Similarly, you can also have an access for the afternoon session after 3 p.m. At the end of the day, you need to attempt a quiz and the quiz will be available. So this is a link for quiz. Please click on that. So you'll be able to see this is a page for quiz, and you can attempt only once, and this quiz opens every day at 4:30 p.m. and it is going to close next day at 4:29 p.m. That means this quiz will be available for 24 hours. But the time limit for attempting the quiz will be 30 minutes. That means once you start the quiz will end by 30 minutes. So this is the button where you can click and you can start your quiz. Once you open, it will display the questions. So one question will be given and 4 options will be given for each questions, and you can choose the correct answer. So like that, you need to attempt all the questions and you have to finally submit your quiz. Once you submit the quiz, that means your quiz attempt will be done. Next day, that is on after 4:30 p.m., you will be able to see the results of your quiz. So this is how you can open and you can have an access for your quiz. Thank you.